We are familiar to hear the word rain. In fact, almost everything we know about the rain. Rain is water that comes down from the sky, throughout some of the process until the onset of the rain. The rain came at a certain period of time will cause many negative and positive impacts for human life and living things.
Now we will explain about the process of the occurrence of rain. The process of the occurrence of rain is natural symbols that make up the rotation of the water on air.
When it rains, rain will pass through several stages throughout the first process of the occurrence of rain so that rain can process running optimally and the rain will come down in a timely manner so as not to worry the citizens around the world await the arrival of the rain, which is always awaited. The rain has several stages to become the perfect rain with some process of the occurrence of rain.
The following is the process of the occurrence of rain. 1. Solar thermal or water evaporation. The sun is the most natural of the context. The sun always illuminates the earth with the searing heat effect, so that heat off, the sun can off water lakes, rivers, and the sea evaporate into the air. Aside from the water of the lake, the rivers, and the sea waters evaporate into the air can be caused from the human body, animals, and other objects containing water.
2. High temperatures. Temperatures in Indonesia include the high temperatures as a result of solar heat, which causes water vapor to condense and dew. Dew is made up of small droplets of water, so that higher temperatures gather together to form clouds.
With the help of the wind, a small cloud into a large cloud. The presence of wind from the air, which causes a hood that will help the clouds are moving to a different place. Wind provides a major influence on the cloud so that it makes a small cloud ignite and then from larger again and then moving to the sky or to a place that has a lower temperature. And the more granules accumulate, cloud will change color to become increasingly gray.
Number 4. Rain is formed and increasingly cold after degraded as a result of water getting heavier and not unstoppable again, which makes the rainwater last fall to exert that there was rain.
I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health.